guys this is the eggplant. This one is the one you need to remove. That one, all of that. Down below there's flower developing here. We need to remove all of that shoots. Yes, we this one here, we need to remove that. The only one we will keep is this flower, the shoots here, and that one. So the rest, there's no more shoots, so that this flower will develop. Okay, more here, another one. I need to remove that one. I think this okra also, I need to remove this one, the same thing here. I need to remove that. I will keep only this one branch and this one. Yes, this one. We have how many? Okay, I will remove that so that the energy will concentrate at the top. I will not keep that. Okay, so that the energy will concentrate at the top here. Actually, this one here, there's already flower, that one, but because of the shoots and still recovery, now it recovers, so I keep that there. But the one there, we need to remove the shoots, guys, so that one we need to remove. It will concentrate all the energy at the flower. Anyway, if you're keeping the 1 and 2 here shoots and the flowers, so we need to remove this one. Okay, that's what I removing. Now it's clean, no shoots. Okay, yeah, another one here in this talong. I'm removing. Every time you see shoots, remove it right away so that it will grow taller. It's like that here because we're not like in Philippines. Oh, that's it, guys. And we take this tomato. Okay. That's why it's so nice to live in Victoriaville. There's bird singing, quiet neighborhood. Yeah. This today is Saturday. C'est mieux vivre in Victoriaville. Ah, beaucoup de, comment ça, des insectes. C'est mieux vivre in Victoriaville. The broccoli. It's ready to harvest. And we will harvest our big zucchini. It's first zucchini, so I will harvest that one so that the other one will grow fast. Yeah, here. Big zucchini. Not headset, ha? Eh? Tous relax. Bonjour. Alain, dis bonjour à Nicole.
Bonjour. Bonjour, Nicole.
Hello guys, good morning. Garden today is rainy morning and good for our garden. The plants love rain. Yeah, rainy morning. And our harvest for today, guys. Yeah, cherry tomato, yellow and red raspberry, bok choy, kali, celery, beans, eggplant, and melon amaya. So, les amis, je vais cuisiner de nouilles filipino. Mais je vais ajouter de bok choy, kali, celery, frais de notre jardin. Et la recette, il y a des ça, des squid balls, de choses bien de Philippines. Là. Je vais ajouter hot dog et des cuits de poulet ici. Ça, on va ajouter de notre nouilles. Recette, l'ail, onion, c'est tout bien de jardin, puis les légumes comme ça. Bok choy, céleri, mais ça, c'est important, on ajoute ça la dernière minute. Parce que c'est tous les grains des feuilles, c'est ça. So, this all the vegetables from our garden. Yes, and we're cooking pancit noodles. So we just fried the squid balls, hot dog, and what is this? I don't know what's the name of that. Yeah, first you need to boil the hot dog and then fry like this, and everything is cooked now. This is our salmon head with lots of there's garlic skips here, the one hard with lots of onion, and this dried chili from last year, recalled harvest from last year, and garlic and onion for this from this year. So our noodles is cook and drain. So now we heat the oil and we will add this garlic. Okay, so this is the chicken base from the one we boil, and that's the chicken. Now we remove the bones. Here's onion and the thing I fried a while ago. Laila pi on ajot this onion. Okay. Then now we're adding the noodles. And then we're adding now the little bit of soup, because this one is fried. Then we will add our this one. We'll add that one, guys, and our chicken. Yes, we're adding that. And then now there's a little bit water. I add all the soup. There's a little bit water, but these noodles will drink a lot of water. Now we will put our vegetables. Okay. I already off the heat and our noodle is cooked already. As you can see, the water is almost gone, but now it's very hot. Once this one will become cold, the water will be gone. Okay, thank you for watching. Hello guys, so our friend gave us a fish. No, it's not yet ready, honey. Why you torn? No, I will torn. They gave us from Gaspi. See this fish. So our fish is already cooked and second batch is here. Yeah. Okay. So, bon appétit avec notre frais tomate et concombre de notre jardin. C'est bon, Honeybee, hein?
Peut-être.
Pourquoi? C'est ton premier fois à manger ça?
Non.
C'est de poisson?
Non.
Ouais, c'est ça.